Your body doesn't need to be forced into asanas. Instead of forcing your body into poses, let it arrive there gradually. Begin in a deep squat, allowing the hips and ankles to soften and feel supported. Slowly move into a deeper squat or malasan or garland pose. This helps create space through your shoulders and spine. Walk your palms forward and back, letting the legs, back, and nervous system adapt without urgency. These transitions build mobility, strength, and trust in your movement. Yoga isn't about how deep you go, it's about how safely you move. Find your downward facing position. This is how we build longevity through yoga.